aims to reduce the tax liability of families with qualifying dependent children. The credit is up to $2,000 per dependent child under the age of 17. The credit is available if you earn up to $200,000 filing single or head of household, or up to $400,000 if you are a married couple filing jointly. If you exceed these limits, then your credit is reduced by $50 for each $1,000 of excess income. If your child tax credit is more than what you owe in taxes, the credit can only reduce your tax bill to zero. You won't get the unused part of the credit back as a refund. However, there is an additional child tax credit available to some families who don't receive the full child tax credit due to their tax liability. This credit can be worth up to $1,600. You must have earned income of at least $2,500 and have a qualifying child. The other dependent credit is available for families who have dependents who don't meet the qualifications for the child tax credit. This can include dependents 17 years of age or older, or elderly dependents who live with you for more than half of the year. This credit is up to $500 per qualifying dependent, and none of it is refundable. Now let's take a look at how we can see our child and other dependent tax credits in the Intuit TurboTax software. After you have entered all of your data in this section, you will see a screen similar to this one that shows you your tax credit. Here you can see we are receiving a $2,500 total credit. You can click on any of the blue links to learn more about this credit. We see here that our $2,500 credit comes from $1,433 of a child tax credit that brings our tax to zero, plus an additional $1,067 as additional child tax credit, which is added to our refund. You will also see these numbers on your Form 1040. To view Form 1040, click on Tax Tools, then Tools, next View Tax Summary, and then Preview My 1040. Scroll down on the screen, and you will see this information on lines 19 for your child tax credit and on line 28 for your additional child tax credit. You can see that these numbers match the numbers that we were shown on the summary screen. For more answers to your questions, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.